Belching is something almost everyone experiences, but when it becomes frequent, excessive, painful, or embarrassing, it may be a sign that something deeper is going on inside your digestive system. Welcome to Nurse Global Consult. Today, we are talking about belching, also known as popping. In this video, you will learn what belching really is, why it happens, when it is normal, when it is a warning sign, and natural ways to stop excessive belching. This video is for health education purposes only and does not in any way replace professional medical care. Now, the first question is, what is belching? Belching is the release of air from the stomach through the mouth. Medically, it happens when air enters the stomach, pressure builds up, the body releases the air upward. Belching is actually a protective reflex. It helps reduce pressure in the stomach and upper digestive tract. Occasional belching is completely normal, but frequent belching is not normal and often point to digestive imbalance, eating habits, gut disorders, stress, or anxiety. Now, there are some common causes of belching. The number one is swallowing too much air. This is the most common cause. You swallow air when you eat fast, when you talk while eating, when you chew gum, when you suck sweets, when you drink with straw, when you smoke. The air has to come out, so you belch. The second causes is carbonated drinks. Drinks like soft drinks, soda, sparkling water, malt drinks. All these contain carbon dioxide gas, which expand in the stomach and forces air out as belching. The third causes is indigestion. Poor digestion causes food to sit too long in the stomach, ferment, produce excess gas, and this leads to belching, bloating, upper abdominal discomfort. The other causes is acid reflux. When stomach acid moves upward into the food pipe, it irritates the lining, it causes pressure, it triggers frequent belching. You may also notice heartburn, sour taste, chest discomfort. The other causes is food intolerance. Some people cannot digest certain food properly, such as beans, onions, garbage, fatty food. Undigested food produces gas, which is belching. Now, the next one is stress and anxiety. Stress affects digestion more than people realize. When you're stressed, you swallow air unconsciously. Digestion slows down, gut muscles tighten, and this causes